Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these JBER Hexagon acoustic panels. So these they come in like 12 packs and a ton of different colors. On the back they have sticky, and these can also be cut to match your wall also. So these are at a 45. So if you were to come in at an angle like that on a wall, they're going to mesh nicely on there. So I'm actually have some different colors of these. I'm gonna be doing my back wall with my channel covers colors. So pretty much all you do is just peel the sticky off the back here. And this will go right on the wall. Peel this off real quick. Okay, and then whenever you want to put it, if you want to start your thing off in a corner or something like that, they also have different, oh, that is sticky. All right, you want to make sure you get it where you want it first. And then just like that. Holds up nicely, and we could just start putting these on here. I'm actually gonna have some different colors of these. I have black, blue, and silver. Be putting these up on the wall. You can see already this is looking nice. Super easy to put up, and also we can cut these if I have holes here. Maybe I want to fill them up with this acoustic, but I can just put these kind of wherever I want to. And I want to lay these out in different colors and whatnot. So for these are super sticky. If you want to do the whole thing, or you can just take off a couple. And it's simply just peel it off the back here. And then we can just place it wherever we want on there. So even with two of these off, I want to redo this and just place it. Like I said, you do a 45 like that, it's going to fit perfectly. So kind of line these up like that. So I think this is going to look really cool when I get done with it. Yeah, they have a lot of different colors. They come in 12 packs or 24 packs, and these look really cool. I like you can just set up any kind of design you want on the back there, and also have like sound deadening properties. So yeah, this is my little studio here kind of, and for my channel, I make my videos right here, most of them, and I do have concrete floors and stuff, as you can see. So anything that I can help to kind of deaden the sound that's going around along in the rest of the house is super helpful. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool right now, and just with a couple of these, and I'll be putting some more up and showing you guys what it looks like. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, my friends, so I got some of these up here already. I think it looks really cool, and should help with the sound issues as well. Sometimes I get some background noise because my kitchen's like right over here, so my recording studio sometimes gets flooded with some different sounds. But yeah, these are pretty easy to take off. Simply, I usually just start in the back here and just peel it. Sometimes the sticky part will come off because the way it's just cut, it's perforated. So if you're cutting it and or if you're peeling it back and there's a little bit of your sticky parts coming with it, just peel it from somewhere else, and then that'll just all come off. So with these, I've just been using basically one corner of it to hold it up there. works great. It is like super sticky, so you can put this wherever you want, whatever pattern you like. I think it just looks really nice, just fits in there. I think I'm just gonna start again like right here and just going to it here. And I might just, I was thinking about removing this, but I think it looks okay there with my chair rail molding, so I might just put one right here like this and just continue on my little pattern here. So just like that. So these are super easy to put on here. Like I said, just start in a little corner. I'll try to get one. All right, yeah, so here we can see if I'm pulling this off, the sticky part is coming off on that. So you just put it back like that, and then I just start like at somewhere else. So it's just where it's been cut. Sometimes the sticky part will stay, and helps to have fingernails. I almost cut my nails today, and that would have been a mistake because it'd be difficult to get off. You'd have to get like a little razor or put something in there. But like I said, if one doesn't go off, then you just see it's pulling off your sticky part. Then you can just start at another spot and go with that. So I think I'll do a black one right here. Hoping to have room for one more down at the bottom, but we'll see if it's just a little bit too short. So if I took this out, it'd be about perfect, but I don't know if I want to do a whole bunch of taking my molding off there. All right, so let's get going on this one. Come on, there we go. Yeah, just get your fingernail and a razor blade. If you had like a little razor or something, like an X-Acto knife, probably easier just to get it in there between the two, and then you can just pull it off of there. I wonder if I put one here, it's gonna just kind of make an octagon or hexagon square like right there. So I think that looks kind of cool. And that's the thing about this, just like no rhyme or reason, whatever you think looks neat, you just set it up on there and just kind of go with it. And it's just like your design or whatever. So just be putting the rest of these up here and you guys can watch that. It's pretty cool.